Hi there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create a push certificate the first time Jamf School is set up. After logging into a new Jamf School instance, we are prompted to complete Setup Assistant. Select Next and we are brought to the Apple Push Certificate screen. The push certificate facilitates all communication between Jamf School and your enrolled devices and is created by exchanging certificate files between Jamf School and Apple. Let's start by selecting Download Certificate Signing Request. During this next step, we'll need to sign in to the Apple Push Certificate portal using an Apple ID. The same Apple ID will need to be used when renewing the push certificate each year. It's highly recommended that a generic, institutionally owned Apple ID is used to create the push certificate, so it's not tied to a specific individual. Click the Apple Push Certificate portal hyperlink to open the web page in a new tab. After logging in, click Create a Certificate. Review and agree to the terms of use and select Accept when ready to proceed. Next, we can add a small note that will be stored in this portal with this certificate. I'm adding my name, today's date, and the name of my Jamf School instance to easily identify this certificate when it comes time to renew it. Click Choose File and select the .csr file that we downloaded from Jamf School earlier. Click Upload to create the push certificate. Next, click Download Certificate and then head back to Jamf School. Let's use the Choose File button to locate the push certificate we just downloaded, ending in .pem. After selecting the certificate, enter the Apple ID that was used to create this push certificate. This will be listed alongside the push certificate in Jamf School as a reminder of what account to use to renew the certificate in the future. Finally, click Next to upload the push certificate to Jamf School and complete this section of the Setup Assistant. Remember, this certificate expires every year, so make note of when this certificate will need to be renewed. Thanks for watching.